Hey guys, how's everyone today? So today I'm going to bring you a video on how to spruce up the engine compartment a little bit. I was going to paint this one, and you can do that, paint the OEM one, but I always like swapping like different covers on there, and there's a couple different covers that'll work on this engine. I was going to paint it like I said, and I still might. I'm going to keep it for spare, but I just picked up something that's an easy swap. Super easy to do. I think it makes a big difference. So let me go ahead and share exactly what I just picked up. So this is an OEM part, as you can see. I'll put the part number in the description if you guys are interested. But this is the OEM engine cover from the Honda Civic Type R. I know you've seen this a lot. It'll bolt right up. It's a nice finish to it. It has that red and then the faux carbon fiber look right here. I like, and has a nice texture to it. Doesn't have any insulation in it. But like I said, this is a direct fit for the 2.0 engines. All you need to do are buy these special bolts, and I'll put those in the description as well. Now there's spots for 5 of them, but you only use 4 of them on here. So the 5th one won't be used on the 2.0 motor, but they're really cheap. I think they're $1 each, the dealer. Again, it's an easy swap. Just want to show you guys how to do this. Like I said, it's nothing major, but it does spruce it up. Some people might hate it, but it is based off the same 2.0 motor. That's hence why it bolts right into it. You can also get the Integra Type S cover. That'll fit the same exact way this will. So this cover is super easy to take off. You just pull it, because it just has those rubber grommets. So you just pull up on it and it comes right out. So once you pull it, you'll feel it kind of release too. It just pulls right up. And this is what I did. I did the hydro dipped A on it. But I just want to go a different route with it, like I said, just to spruce it up a little bit. But now these are the barbs here that you're going to remove. And then in place of these, you're going to use those bolts that are going to go through the cover and then screw into the engine here. So that's the only difference. So these you'll take out. Okay, so this is what they look like when they come out. You just take them out, and you're going to use the same exact holes. And right there, that's where they came out of. So you always want to hold on to them. So if you swap back, it's just a little bit different design, where the other engine covers fit better. Now this one is used to hold this on. So I got a little screw to screw in there to hold it back down, because you're not going to utilize that one. That's the difference. Okay? And then one goes in there. That's the only thing I did differently, is right there I screwed that down just so it doesn't move around, because it won't be utilized. So let me go ahead and show you exactly when you put the cover on. Okay, so here's how it looks all installed. There's this screw right there. There's one of them. There's the second one, the third back here, and the fourth. And like I said, these are bolted down so it doesn't come off. You can't just pull it off. You have to unbolt it. And it fits good with this thing. Like I said, it's super tight, so you don't even need that 5th bolt, because there's nowhere to bolt it to anyway. Everything lines up perfectly. The oil cap to check the oil. Like I said, it's same motor. I mean, it's not the same, but it's the same 2.0, just has different internals and that kind of stuff. So that's why this will fit on like it does on the Type R. And then the Integra Type S cover will fit also on this if you want that. I'll put that in the description too. the part number for that if you want to go that route. I was torn between them, but I didn't really care for the reddish of the Type S. It's like more of a maroon red. I've always liked this engine cover, and it is a Honda motor, even though it's an Acura product. It's all Honda underneath the body panels. And then I wrapped this before with a little carbon fiber. They kind of flow with it now a little bit better. Like I said, nothing crazy, just had some time sprucing up a little bit. I might put those wire loom covers back on some of the wires. Adds a little bit more red in there, just so it pops a little bit when you open it instead of all black. I've seen some of you guys color match the engine cover to your car. I've always liked that idea. That's another idea. You can take the stock one, get a rattle can of your color code, scuff it up and spray it so it's the same color of the car. I've always thought that looked sharp too. So again, I just want to share that with you guys. Like I said, it's nothing crazy. Doesn't do anything for it except for visual. And you're probably not even going to open the hood that often, but I liked it. Got a good deal on it. Like I said, at one of the parts stores had a sell. So I picked it up. You know, I do like it, but I could switch back later on if I wanted to, just save those barbs. Okay? So again, just want to share it with you guys. Hope everyone's having a good day out there, staying safe. I appreciate it. And I'll catch you guys in the next video. Thanks again, everybody.